Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that I know you all will appreciate. 5 amazing AI tools that will make your life easier and save you tons of time. So, let's get started. The first tool on our list is Notion AI. Now, if you're not familiar with Notion, it's basically an all-in-one workspace app. But with the addition of Notion AI, it's become even more powerful. Think of Notion AI as your smart assistant that lives inside your workspace. It can help you summarize those lengthy notes from your latest team meeting, create to-do lists based on your priorities, or even generate ideas for your next big project. By using natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, Notion AI understands your context and provides relevant suggestions and summaries, making your work smarter and faster. Our next tool is ClickUp AI. So, whether you're a project manager, a freelancer, or part of a team, managing multiple tasks and projects can be quite a challenge. But fret not, because ClickUp AI is here to save the day. With features like task creation, outlining, automation, reporting, and priority suggestions, ClickUp AI makes project management a breeze. You can easily stay on top of your deadlines and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Next up, we have Jasper. Now, Jasper is an AI-powered writing partner that can help you create high-quality content in a fraction of the time. Whether you need to write blog posts, emails, or social media updates, Jasper has got you covered. It can even help you overcome writer's block and come up with new ideas. Just tell Jasper the topic, and it will generate unique, engaging content that you can use as is or fine-tune to match your style. Now, halfway through our list, we have Otter.ai. Meetings, while important, can often be a drain on time. Taking notes, transcribing them later, and then trying to make sense of it all can be a real headache. But with Otter.ai, you can streamline this process. Otter.ai records and transcribes your meetings in real time, providing a written summary that you can refer back to. It also highlights key action items and decisions made during the meeting, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Last, but certainly not least, we have Motion. Managing your calendar can be a daunting task, especially when you have multiple commitments and priorities. But fear not, because Motion is here to help. With its AI-powered scheduling, you can automatically plan your calendar, balance your time, and adjust your schedule based on changing priorities. Motion takes into account your availability, meeting duration, and travel time, ensuring that your schedule is optimized for maximum efficiency. And there you have it, folks. These are just a few of the many AI tools available to help you work smarter and not harder. Whether you want to boost your productivity, enhance your creativity, or simply streamline your workflow, there's an AI tool out there for you. The important thing is to remember that these tools aren't going to replace you. Instead, they're there to augment your abilities and help you achieve more than you ever could on your own. So why wait? Start exploring these tools today and see how they can transform the way you work. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest AI updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.